Okay, so I'm Mehak and I'm expert talent acquisition at Jazz. So coming here was a bit tricky. I was wondering if I should come here or not, if it's going to be relevant to me or not. But when I came here and the session started, they were all very creative. I got to learn a lot. Since I have a degree in Masters in Innovation and Entrepreneurship as well, I was able to relate to what everyone is talking about, and it was actually very much fun to see people understanding your point of view as well, and kind of relating to them as well. So the work that is being done here, it's very much innovative and it's very much creative. It's something that is out of the box, and if it gets implemented on in a lot of different organizations in different countries, it can help people and the employees and the organizations, and as well as the business and the startups, to achieve a lot of productivity. I believe that they are doing a great job here, and I highly recommend everyone to attend the events that they have. I believe that they're going to have another event maybe next month or this month, and I would really encourage everyone to join in for that event as well.